Not a bad day at all. We've got partly cloudy skies outside tonight. That will be the case as we go through the overnight hours as well. And our temperatures aren't going to drop too much through the overnight hours as winds begin to pick up out of the south, especially tomorrow morning. That was a live look from Allo Communications. We made it up to 59 degrees today, and it's pretty incredible this month so far. It's one thing to say that you're a degree or two above normal, which is statistically speaking well above normal. But we're running 9.9 degrees, nearly 10 degrees above normal per day. And that's going to continue for tomorrow before we come crashing down on Thursday. Now, right now it's 50 degrees in Lincoln, a little cooler up towards Oahu where it's 43 and 47 in Columbus and Central City, 46 down in Aurora, but we still have 54 degrees in Beatrice and 50 degrees in Hebron. Tonight, temperatures not dropping very much. Upper 30s, lower 40s, even only upper 40s down towards Beatrice. So a mild night tonight, especially when you factor in our normal low is in the teens, our normal high is in the 40s, or I should say right at 40 degrees in Lincoln. So our overnight lows will be well above normal. We are watching this weather system that is out to the west. It is moving into the Rockies, and this is going to pack a powerful punch for us as we go through the day tomorrow. And it can be told in 3 chapters. The first chapter is for tomorrow, talking about the record warmth coming our way. So we thought today and yesterday were warm. It's 58 yesterday, 59 today. Records for tomorrow set at 64 degrees in Lincoln, 67 in Grand Island, and 67 in Hastings, all set back in 2002. Tomorrow, temperatures for highs will be running 30 to near 40 degrees above normal through the Central Plains. So around here, we're talking highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. We should smash the record tomorrow in Lincoln. We're talking 72 in Beatrice, Fairbury, and Hebron, and out towards the Tri-Cities, middle to upper 60s. So we should be able to break the record in Grand Island, Hastings, and in Lincoln. The other thing you'll notice, the winds that are moving. We'll have sustained winds tomorrow out of the south-southwest, 15 to 35 miles per hour, with gusts over 50 miles per hour. And that leads us into chapter 2 of this weather story. Very high winds coming our way for tomorrow. Take a look at Stormcast. Starting at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, we'll notice the winds picking up to 20 to 25 miles per hour. Now, by late morning, we'll already have winds over 40 miles per hour. This is at noon. We're talking gusts to 45 to 50, maybe even 52 miles per hour down towards Beatrice, all out of the south. So we head towards late afternoon, those winds will likely increase even more, gusting at times 60 to maybe 70 miles per hour. And if you go 3,000 feet above the ground, we're talking winds that are blowing at 100 miles per hour. So some of that will start to mix down to the surface. This will continue on into the evening hours. By 6 o'clock, we're still talking winds gusting 45 to 60 miles per hour. And finally, tomorrow evening, and more so tomorrow night, we'll start to notice the winds beginning to back off. In fact, we'll start to see winds gusting less than 30 miles per hour by about 2 o'clock in the morning Thursday. But with the strong winds coming through and a cold front passing, we're likely to see wind chill values down into the teens by Thursday morning. So a huge range in feel-like temperatures from 70 degrees down into the teens. So we're talking a 50 to 60 degree temperature drop, or at least the way it will feel from Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. High wind warnings are in effect for the entire state of Nebraska and surrounding states. So if you've got any travel plans, be very careful as you're out driving tomorrow, because those gusts will catch you off guard otherwise. The high wind warnings in effect from 9 o'clock tomorrow morning through 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. I should also mention red flag warnings are also in effect for southeast Nebraska. That's in effect through the day for tomorrow as well. The other thing we're watching is storm potential coming our way. Thunderstorms may start to develop in the southwest part of the state early tomorrow afternoon and then begin to quickly move off to the east. By 2 to 3 o'clock, we can see them moving through the Tri-Cities, moving further east, moving in towards Lancaster County, maybe by 4 o'clock. It's not a sure bet that we'll see thunderstorms. Some of the computer models suggesting the storms don't develop until they get towards Iowa, but we are going to be able to watch for that. The potential is there for some strong winds out of some of these thunderstorms, and we can't rule out the chance for a tornado either tomorrow afternoon. 7-day forecast, cooler by Thursday, a high of 48 degrees. We get even cooler by the weekend, especially Saturday. Saturday right now will get you into the holiday mood. 34 degrees for a high, and look at the morning lows both Saturday and Sunday morning down into the teens. Middle of next week, our temperatures start to rebound back in the middle to upper 40s.